Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm on my phone because my camera is being stupid. So I tried out a YSL, the 24-hour matte foundation. I think that's what it's called. I'll show you guys right now. Hold on a sec. Let me get... Dude, stay. Say, bud. My dog. So, I'm in my third bedroom where... Well, call it third bedroom, but now it's my office space for when I have my homework and stuff at, but this is my All Hours foundation for the YSL. I just got it today from Sephora and it's amazing. It's up to 24-hour wear, flawless, matte, full coverage, oil-free foundation, and it is amazing. It's for a combination for skin type, so that's what I have. I used this on my lips. The first time it went on there, it looked pretty light, but it looked like it, like my skin color right now for my lips, lip color. There you go, lip color. So that looks. It's called Room Service by Tarte H2O. So I don't like the... Can't really see it. But oh, there you go. So there's that. As concealer under my eyes, I got the Benefit Boing concealer under my eyes, which is, I liked it. So I'm doing a test on it. So the review on, it's 4 stars. That was on Sephora, like a 4.5 or something like that. It's supposed to be medium to full, but it said full coverage, but then it says medium to full coverage on the website, which is like kind of like making your mind, or yeah. So there's that. And then I use my beauty blender for the foundation, and looks like I got everything. I did my finger on the concealer, so I did that. For my brows, I did the Anastasia brow definer. It has a rectangular tip. Can't really see it on here, but it's a rectangular tip, and then it's bully at the other side. So there's that. And then next is, there it stays. And then for a highlight on my face, it's the Cover FX and Moonlight. It's the custom enhanced drops. Can't really see it, but nope. But yeah, I did that on my, to have a natural glow. And you know I love natural glows and stuff, so don't want to overdo it. Now I want you, I had this, oh, for the color of the foundation, I totally forgot, I'm in B45. Bibque, and that's what it's called, Bibque. So that's what my, I wish this phone would autofocus, but it's B45. If you guys want me to review this, let me know and I'll gladly do it. I'm in light beige, so leave a comment down below if you want me to do it. And I did the Marc Jacob eyeliner that I had for my eyes. I use what I recently got, the Too Faced chocolate bar. For the crease of my eyes, I did the semi-chocolate one. So I'll show you what it looks like on my hands. Very pigmented, which is nice. And then I used, on the outer corner, I used the Cherry Cordial, this one right here. There's that. And then I use the Strawberry Bonbon, which is that one right there. Strawberry Bonbon. And then it doesn't really show up on your hands very much, but it shows up on that Strawberry Bonbon on the eyelid. And then I did the the champagne truffle. Right there. Champagne truffle. And I'll swatch it for you. And I put it on the brow bone. Oh, I like that. So try to do as that one right there. Bonbon, semi-sweet. The Cherry Cordial, and Champagne is my champagne truffle. And I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the anti-aging one. And that's basically it that I used on my face. Oh, and the Better Than Sex mascara. So if you want me to do any other stuff with this, or what you want me to review from Sephora or Ulta or anything else, just let me know and I'll gladly get the product and do it. Alright. Have a nice day. Bye, you guys.